Hello everyone, this is Shahzad and you are watching Shahzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix login error on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, in this video, I am tell you how to fix Facebook login error on iPhone. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. Firstly, you can check that you have updated the latest version. So just simply tap on settings. Here you can see general. Just simply tap on it and now you can see software update. Tap on it. Here you can see checking for update. If you have any pending update, download and install it to fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another is reset the network settings. So just simply tap on settings, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset, and now you can see reset. Now you can see reset network settings. Just simply tap on it. Here you can see enter your passcode. After entering your passcode, you can see reset network settings. Just simply tap on it and reset network settings. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another solution is update the Facebook app. So just simply tap on App Store. Here you can search Facebook. Tap on it. Now you can see Facebook update is available. Just simply tap on update to update your Facebook app and log in your account on Facebook to fix your problem. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is reset the settings only without losing any data. So just simply tap on settings again and again tap on general. So again transfer and just simply tap on reset. Now you can see reset all settings. Just simply tap on it and enter your passcode. After entering your passcode, the network settings is reset. Go back. If all this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another solution is restart your device. So just simply tap on settings, general, and now you can see shut down. Tap on it. Here you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your mobile will be turned off. After 30 to 50 seconds, you can turn it on and fix your problem. If all these solutions are not working, then you can move to nearest Apple store to fix your Facebook login error. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.